What's going on, guys? Derek from Legendary here, coming at you with some updates. So if you're interested in jumping into Legendary, I got an offer for you just for Facebook. So I'm going to get into it in a second. But first I want to talk about the platform and what all is included. It's basically an all-in-one marketing platform, so you can combine everything you're doing. If you have multiple softwares handling some of these things, you can bring it all under one roof. So it'll handle your email, SMS, power dialers. It'll do voicemail drops, online scheduling. It'll send appointment reminders, confirmations automatically. You get a CRM, so all your contacts can be uploaded. New leads that fill out a form on your website or chat widget will come right into the CRM. You get a pipeline system with smart triggers. So if you drag and drop a contact card from one pipeline stage to the next, you can have it automatically fire an action, like sending a text message, dropping a voicemail, sending an email, whatever you want to do. You also get automated campaigns you can set up and drip people into based on time. So all of that under one roof. Plus you get websites, funnels, and a sweet little chat widget you can install to bring in more leads. Those go right into your CRM as well. So coming to the website funnels, I built a little funnel library here. It's got 100 templates or more, and we'll be adding to this as well. So all different kinds of funnels here. You can kind of look around, see what ones you like. Doesn't have to be your niche necessarily, but let's take a look down here at roofing, for instance. If we pull up this template, all you have to do is let me know, and this will be imported into your account. So super clean design. You can edit these, add your logo, get it live super quick. These are mobile responsive as well. So let me pull it up on my phone real quick for you. And you can see that here. So let me do some scrolling. So super clean. Now there's over 175, 100 are in the library. We have 75 new ones. I still need to go through and organize those. But super excited to get this out to people so they can get these loaded. If you have multiple businesses, you can run those as well, all under Legendary. I recommend having a location for each business, just to keep things separate, because you'll have a business phone for each company, if that makes sense, and it's best to keep those separate. But everything else will be all integrated. And I wanted to show you a demo real quick of some of the power of Legendary. So this is a site that I built in Legendary, and it's going to do an instant call as soon as you submit a form. So think about this. If you're running ads or someone signs up on your website, the speed to lead is super important. So what we have going on here is it's going to send an outbound IVR call as soon as I submit a form. Now this is built directly in Twilio. I do have instructions on how to set this up, but once it's integrated, it works across all forms on Legendary. So let's hit submit, and you'll see the magic of this happen in real time. So I'm going to pull my phone over here as well and hit submit. Now you can see my phone rings. So that's the outbound IVR call, and I can pick that up.
From Legendary Leads. If you'd like a 7-day free trial of the Legendary Lead software, press 1 and I'll send you a link to a free trial. If you have any questions or want to speak to me directly, press 2. Or if you want to schedule some time on my calendar, press 3. Hey, this is Derek from Legendary. Awesome. I'm sending you that link right now. If you sign up for a 7-day free trial today, I'll actually upgrade you to the next plan for free. So go ahead and jump in, and I'll see you inside the platform.
Highly recommend jumping in. If you want to have everything hosted under one roof and automate a lot of your processes, save time, talk to your leads in a responsive manner, whether they call in and you miss it, you can do a missed call text back. You can send bulk SMS, voicemail drops. You can queue up leads in a power dialer to call them back to back. However you want to work it, it all works under one roof. And you get website templates. You can click publish and edit super quick and get them up. So if you need multiple funnels, multiple sites, you get unlimited on the Legendary bundle plan. So with that being said, if you want to see how this works, you can text demo to 319-250-6868, and we'll get you in the system that way. Otherwise, follow the link below this video, and you can test out the IVR, how that works, and see if that might be something you want to set up in your business. That being said, appreciate you. Check you on the next video. Stay legendary.